You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is s smaller than 3.0958. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 5/4 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Divide fraction for addition. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the s. Divide both sides by 8.35. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is s smaller than 3.0958.